Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Chandra, and once again I'll be back with my next lab of the day, and this is lab 8. And today what I'm going to do about the geofencing. So what is geofencing anyway? Well, it's more like in a map where a user can pinpoint of the from the map, and then it will show the map route that you are going to find out, and then it will show the notification where you come out from the route. So what I changed there is I didn't change anything from the main activity, but I did change the map activity and then add the Java class, which is notification helper, geofence helper, geofence broadcast reserver, and Google Maps and Activity Maps. So this is where I have changed, this is the letting from my home here, the latitude and the longitude. So let's start running. Okay, if you can see here, I have run the application and I already pinpoint the location. But in order to do that, you need to hold like almost 2 seconds, and then it changes, and then press here some more, and then it changes there. Okay, so and here I have click here, I have put the route from there. In order to get that, you can click on the three dots there, and then it will immediately show here. So now I'm going to play a route here. Okay, if you can see here, that point here, it will show the movement from the phone, and then it will go, and then it will show the pinpoint to the location. I have selected the pinpoint of the start of point to the end point. Okay, here he is from the extend controls. If you can see it, it's automatically moved the direction, which is working in the direction, and it's following the routes automatically. You see here, it's almost to the location. If you're using a car or car, it should be a fast route, but I selected a walk because it will show a little bit of movement from there. Okay, it almost reached to the exact location. And there you go, it's reaching to that location. And then that's it. This is how geofencing looks like. If you want to see more of it, you can watch from the link description from down below. The making of geofencing, it will take a lot of time, and basically it is a bit hard to what to look what to do and so on and so on. But on the bright side, this is the way how geofencing is working. So I look at the link of the video, and then it was quite very long, but I did my best to watch that video and then understand doing the geofencing in my Android Studio. So if you want to learn more, click on the links description, and thank you for watching.